Let's see how you can install new applications or plugins into your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have your store ready, all you need to do is go to the search text field right here, or you can also go to apps at the bottom left and you will see different options. So go to app and sales settings and then just open the Shopify App Store. So right here you will see a lot of different applications, but you can browse them by different categories. So for example, let's say you want an application to help you with the store design, you can click right here and then just search for the plugin or the application you want. So there are thousands of different applications that will help you. And if you want to look for a specific one, you can click right here and just put in whatever you want to search. So for example, let's say we want contact forms like this. Just search for it and you will see a lot of different options. So as you can see, some of them will have a free plan available, some of them will be completely free, and some of them will offer a free trial, and then after that you will need to pay. For example, on this one, it has a free trial, and after that it's just $5 per month. So that's it. After that, you should see the application right here, and you can click on it and customize whatever you want. And if you want, you can also click these three dots and uninstall the app. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.